This is the 2006 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Installed a pair of Pacesetter long tube headers with a 3-inch collector, 3-inch Flowmaster brand off-road X pipe, and a pair of Flowmaster Outlaw racing mufflers. And we're gonna go ahead and let you know, hear how it sounds.